Good day, sir, madam. My name is Maricar Estrada, 35 years old. I am Catholic. I am married. The work of my husband is a farmer. I have 2 sisters and I'm the eldest in the family.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
Sir, madam, my duties and responsibilities in my previous employer is cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, and taking care of the children.
Can you tell me how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I can take care of the children by means of giving food and vitamins on time, taking a bath for them, brushing teeth, accompanying with them to going to school, tutoring them, playing with them, and love them as my own family.
What are the dishes and menu that you can cook?
Sir, madam, I can cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, steamed chicken, also pork soup and winter melon soup. But I'm willing to learn to cook more dishes, Chinese dishes.
Who will take care of your family if you're working in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, my husband is going to take care of my family.
How would you describe your character?
Sir, madam, I am the helper who is honest, hardworking, you can rely, and responsible.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family.
Thank you, Ms. Estrada, and good luck.
Sir, madam, thank you also. Have a good day.